Hi guys, welcome back to another edition of Road Rash TV. Today what we're going to be doing is having a look at the Viper RSV10 Bluetooth open face helmet with the help of our esteemed colleague Keith from Race Leathers.
Hi guys.
And at the same time, when we have a look at this helmet, what we're going to be doing is looking at the perfect accompaniment for this helmet, which is the brand new Ghost Drift XL. What we've got here is a tech helmet, what we've got here is a tech accompaniment, and they fit beautifully together. So let's get on with the review. Bit of what
Watch out for that logo, Robin. Watch out for the logo.
Ooh! Yeah.
Okay.
So guys, we've got an unboxing to do today, so let's get on with it. So folks, what we have here is Viper's brand new RSV10. This is a fully functional, factory fitted Bluetooth motorcycle headset. So if we take a look at the helmet and we start from the outside and we work from the front to back, and then we'll have a little look at the inside. So at the front, as you can see, because it's an open face helmet, because we've actually got a microphone in this, we've actually got quite a deep scoop visor here just to deflect basically the wind that you will get when you're riding a bike actually. Now the outer visor can obviously be lifted up, which allows us to have a little look at the internal sunshade. Internal sunshades nowadays are pretty much essential for most of the riding you're going to do, especially when you encounter those early mornings or late evenings where you're going to hit that sunshine sometimes. So this, as well as people think look cool, it's actually quite a good safety feature as well. When we have a look around to the side, we have a quick release visor system. I won't bother taking it off and showing you because we all know how these works, but let me assure you, it is an easy one to use. The styling of the helmet's quite modern, as we can see, with this nice sort of scooped shape and the little aerofoils at the back and the chimney vents on the back here. What we've also got is a nice little crown vent up the front, just to give you that extra bit of airflow on, you know, the hot days that hopefully we're going to get this year and years to come. Chance to be a fine thing. Moving through to the inside, what we have is a micrometric fastener, which basically just allows you to get that really good fit every single time you use the helmet. The liner that we use in this is actually a noise absorbing liner, so it helps to sort of filter out some of the noise you might hear from around yourself or from the actual engine of the bike, because obviously we're talking about the Bluetooth helmet here with speakers in. Now if we take a little closer look at the Bluetooth system, I know this looks like it's got nothing in, but it does. Just up the front here, what you'll see is a little round circle here, which actually has the microphone in there. What we have is actually a noise cancelling microphone in here as well, which is pretty essential when we're talking about an open face helmet really. When you have a closed face helmet with a microphone in it, there's a lot less wind noise, so this has noise cancelling built into it. You've got a couple of high definition stereo speakers in, just on these little pouches here, and what you can also see is you do have good ear scoops, as it were, to get your ears into that sort of enclosed area, which really helps when it comes to the sound quality of this. The battery and the brains of the unit actually sit here just under this little convenient flap, so you shouldn't really need to do anything with this apart from obviously plug in the USB lead that comes with it. You've got a fully removable, washable and sanitisable liner on this helmet. And the sizes that we have are extra small through to extra large, and it is also available in a matte black as well. Probably some other colours coming later on in the season. Now not only is this able to connect up to your phone and connect up to your sat nav, what you've also got here is an intercom unit. So if you've got two of these helmets, it gives you the ability to have an intercom unit or an intercom talk between the two helmets, whether it's someone just sat on the back of the pillion or whether it's somebody that's up to around 800 to 900 meters away through direct line of sight. It is a fully functioning intercom system as well. So what I want to do now is hand you over to Keith, and Keith's going to tell us about the brand new Drift XL dash cam.
Right, okay guys, so what you've got here is the Drift Ghost XL. It's the latest thing from Drift. Okay, they've had the Ghost out for a little while now, but this is the XL version, which kind of means you've got a bigger battery. There's a couple more features in it as well. We're going to do a quick unboxing for you to show you what's in this surprisingly new little package. So now we've got the packaging off and it's open. Let's show you what's inside the box. So now that we've got it all unboxed, eventually, took a while, let's have a look at what you've got inside. We've got the camera, which is you know, a bonus. Associated wires, a curved mount, we have a flat mount, we have a wire so you can connect a microphone into it.
So now Keith's told us all about what you actually get in the box. Let's actually see how it attaches to the helmet. As we said, you've got two different mounts. You've got a flat mount and a curved mount, and for the purposes of a helmet, what you probably want to go for is the curved mount. So you need to find a place on the helmet with enough area, obviously, for this to stick to. And all we need to do is remove this little sticky bit here.
It's worth noting it's very, very sticky. Once that's on, it isn't going to come off very easily. So be careful you get it in the right spot first time.
So we just remove that.
Put that out.
And we're now attached. To connect your, or to attach your camera, all you need to do is pull these two little lugs in, slide the camera into place. There we have it, and it's as easy as that. Couldn't be easier. So now we've got it actually on the helmet, it's back over to Keith to tell us a little bit about the functionality of the camera itself.
Alright, well the camera is a full 1080p at 30 frames per second. It can also take 12 megapixel photographs in camera mode. It's got time lapse should you want to watch flowers grow. You can do from 15 seconds up to an hour per each shot, and that's on time lapse. It can take a 128 gigabyte memory card, which is quite big for one of these things. It's waterproof rated to IPX7, so you can put attachments into it like the external microphone lead. Still waterproof. Or the power cable, and it will still remain waterproof. No worry about it going wrong. It's got a 3000 milliamp per hour battery, which is double what the old Drift Ghost used to have. With that you can get up to kind of 9 hours constant footage, depending on what video mode you've got it on. It also has event detection, which is if you put it on dash camera mode and some idiot does pull out in front of you, or something happens, it all goes wrong, it detects the impact and it will record that footage so you don't lose it in case your insurance company needs to see it. So it's got a 300-degree rotatable lens on this camera, which means that if you do end up sticking it up here on your helmet, the camera will be on an angle. Normally, if you didn't have that lens, you'd have to stand like this to watch it for it to be straight. Turn the lens, your footage will always remain upright and level. Worth noting that you can also adjust the angle that this sits at, and you kind of do that by unscrewing this here. You can adjust the position of the camera to the bracket, tighten it back up, clip it back in, and now you can video the stars.
If you'd like to watch more Tubu related videos, don't forget to subscribe. Maybe to give us a thumbs up, perhaps even share, and don't forget to hit the bell icon. So I guess when you were to combine the two at £160 and £140, what you've actually got is a full smart helmet that has intercom capability, it can capture footage, it can do absolutely everything that helmets of twice the price can't do. It's a great combination really, wouldn't you say, Keith?
I love it. Great.
Absolutely fantastic stuff. Well, I think there's not a great deal else to talk about apart from just thanking you guys for watching this review. We'll see you later.
And I'm taking this, I'm getting out on my bike. See you later.